guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzy Raikui and today I'm going to show you how to set custom iPhone ringtone. So guys, this is the very easy way to set iPhone ringtone. So let's get to the video, guys.
First of all, we have to download Documents and GarageBand and go to Documents and tap MP3 Trace and search it. Scroll up and tap MP3 Trace. Search the song that you like to set iPhone ringtone and download the song. Scroll up and download MP3. After that, wait for the file name and done. After that, go to Downloads and tap the song, copy to iCloud and go to GarageBand. Select the voice and click the voice. After that, click the button click to the right button and click the file. After that, click the browse and click the documents and select the song and scroll up and select the song and pull up the song and click the left button, My Song. Click to the song and share to ringtone and type the ringtone name and export it. And tap to OK. Go back to the setting and tap the sound and select the ringtone and tap the sound. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Bye.